Hey there, folks. Let me tell you a crazy story about this super lazy dude from a small village. This guy would do anything to get food without breaking a sweat. So one day, he's roaming around the countryside, and he spots some juicy apples. He thinks, jackpot, and decides to swipe a few for a snack. But just as he's about to snag an apple, a farmer spots him and starts chasing him down. Our lazy friend freaks out and bolts into the nearby forest to hide. As he's catching his breath, he comes across this old two-legged wolf. Yeah, you heard that right. He can't help but wonder how this poor wolf manages to survive without being able to run or hunt. There are dangers lurking everywhere, yet this wolf seems pretty chill. Suddenly, a lion appears, carrying a chunk of meat in its mouth. The lazy guy scrambles up a tree to save his own skin, but the wolf can't run, so it stays put. To his amazement, the lion just drops the meat for the wolf and leaves. The lazy dude is stoked, thinking, wow, God works in mysterious ways, huh? He starts to believe that God must have a plan for him too, so he finds a spot to chill and wait for someone to feed him, just like the wolf. He waits, and waits, and waits some more. After 2 days of starving, he finally gives up. On his way out of the forest, he bumps into an old sage and spills his whole story. He asks the wise man, why did God show mercy to the crippled wolf but not to me? The sage replies, son, it's true that God has a plan for everyone, including you. But you totally misinterpreted his signs. He didn't want you to act like the wolf, he wanted you to be like the lion. Sometimes, we get God's signs all mixed up, but don't lose hope. Reflect on your life and the signs you might have missed, and you'll find a happier, more successful path. So, my friends, remember that sometimes we need to be the lion, not the wolf. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome stories.